what's up guys, AIRSOFTEK here. Today I'm just doing a quick video and I'm gonna show you how to access your up in a barrel and all that stuff. That's really simple, but if you don't know, you don't know. So first of all, let's turn it around. What you want to do is locate that screw right there. It's a 2.5 or 3 mil, depends on the gun. And some gun might have a push pin too, right? So if you don't have anything to unscrew, that's because you just need to push that all the way through. So when it's done, as you can see, it kind of releases itself. So you want to pull back on that turning handle and lift it up to pass that gap right there. And now you have access to your up and your inner barrel. So now you can modify your inner barrel. Now you can modify your hop up, you can modify your bucking, your knob, anything. So yeah, at that point it's really up to you what you want to do with it. But it's just a quick video to show you how to do it.